Deutsche Bank Business Platinum Card Germany app. The pros, the cons. Most people get this wrong. They assume the Deutsche Bank Business Platinum Card is just another premium credit card. But the truth is, it's designed to give German business owners financial flexibility, global reach, and exclusive protection. Let's start with the pros. The card comes with a generous credit limit and up to 30 days of interest-free repayment, giving businesses room to manage cash flow effectively. You also earn reward points for every euro spent, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. The Deutsche Bank mobile app is a major advantage. It offers real-time transaction tracking, customizable alerts, and expense reports that make accounting faster and easier. Security features like biometric login and instant card locking give you peace of mind on the go. One standout benefit is the travel insurance package. It includes coverage for flight delays, medical emergencies abroad, and rental car protection, all essential for professionals on the move. Now, for the cons. The annual fee can be relatively high depending on your usage, and rewards redemption isn't as flexible as international cards like American Express. Some small German merchants may also prefer Girocard over MasterCard. Still, for medium to large businesses that value security, global acceptance, and a strong digital app experience, the Deutsche Bank Business Platinum Card delivers reliability and status in one package. In short, it's a polished, professional tool that makes managing business expenses seamless at home and abroad.